Hi boys and girls, today we're going to start with our addition fact practice, and these are plus ones. So whenever you see a number plus 1, you just go to the next number that you would see on the number line. So you don't really need to count, you just need to know what order the numbers come in. So 0 plus 1 is 1, and then this is 2, 3, 4, do you see a pattern? 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6 because that's the next number. 6 plus 1 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So these are the answers. So then you look down below and I'll do a few of these with you. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 9 plus 1, we just go to the next number after 9, which is 10. 8 plus 1, what's 8 plus 1? It's 9, good. 12 plus 1 is 13. 3 plus 1, what's the number after 3? It's 4. 4 plus 1, what's the number after 4? 5. 5 plus 1, what's the number after 5? It's 6. 7 plus 1, so the number after 7 is 8. 10 plus 1, the number after 10, 11. And 11 plus 1, the number after 11 is 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 0 plus 1, 1. Now, on the back side, we have some addition problems. So we have 5 plus 2. So I start on 5 and I count up 2 spots. What's the answer? 7. On the next one, if I start on 6 and I count up 3, what is the answer? 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. And I want you to do the last 4 on your own. Turn it into the box and start on Dream Box.